repression of 14 million people. And the other thing, I want to expose the role of imperialist Sweden, the role of Swedish weapon industry in Kashmir. The Kashmir War that started in 1948, since then Sweden is making use of it. Sweden is selling arms to India and to Pakistan to kill people in Kashmir since 1948. 1960s, and made a deal to sell buffers. It created hell for Kashmir. Well, I don't want to go in details that there was $1 billion kickback. I don't know if Parliament got any money. And there is blood on the hands of the full Parliament, even if it is dead. That's the blood of Kashmir. And the workers of Sweden, the youth, the students, you need to act. I'm here just to say that. It's time to act.